Welcome back to the Poto Vlogs. Got the boys. I hope they remember I cannot go on the highway on this thing. Hell yeah. What are you doing?
You gonna beat the fuck out of her?
Yeah.
You swerving in this lane?
Yeah. And she stayed in the lane too. Dude, we're tucking. Full tuck. Full speed run on this Grom. We're going 56. Up a hill. We need to wait till we're going downhill, then we can go a little faster than 56. I love these little speed bumps, bro. Truck. Hey, let me put my wallet in my backpack real quick. I don't want that toe to fall out. Yeah.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
I don't like how slow it is. Oh, there's a hole downhill. Grom explorations. Now I know this exists. Hey! Oh shit!
Stop. Oh, oh, it's hard to get your fingers from the clutch to the brake.
Meow. Whenever I did a wheelie and went backwards on the bike, I accidentally unplugged the microphone and didn't have audio for the rest of the clip, but this was just too funny to not put in. The old lady that you see in this video driving the car rolling her window down, she literally asked us to go, and we didn't know what she meant by that. Like, she didn't know if we just wanted us gone, so we were like, oh, we'll just leave. She's like, no, I want to hear your bikes. You gotta be loud. We literally just gassed off, and she sat there and watched us and smiled and laughed the whole time. It was pretty cool. Check out the lashes on this Hyundai right here, son. I ain't never seen a good looking Hyundai until now.
Can I ride this thing?
Do you want to?
I'm just going to my RX-7.
Yeah?
Bro, I watched this dude today. He did a headstand on his bike and did a rolling burnout. I can't do it.
Alright, I'm riding a Viffer. This is a Viffer 800. One of the cleanest bikes I think I've seen. But this is what I'm riding. Bike with power. Oh my goodness, it's been a minute. Power and brakes. This is such a nice bike. Oh, dude. Such power bike. This thing is freaking insane. What a freaking bike. Here's Simon's RX-7. Man, you're spoiled on this thing.
Such such a meme.
Isn't it? It's so weird to ride, huh?
It's like something I feel like I'm gonna die on. But you just don't have any respect for this thing, you know?
The thing is, you have to think of it in the other way. Like, you can die on that thing by twisting the throttle. You can die on this thing by pulling out in front of someone and not being able to get to speed fast enough. I literally just told them, I was like, this is Simon's RX-7. We're gonna do some videos with it. He just put some coilovers on it and it looks freaking fresh.
I just detailed it, but it's disgusting because I drove it up here.
Dude, this thing looks freaking beautiful. This is all y'all are gonna see of this car right now. Oh, look. There's the police.
Oh, it's that dude. I'm gonna hop back on this thing. It feels weird being on that thing.
Oh, dude, I understand.
I feel safer on my 800.
I do too. So this is Louisiana Tech. If none of y'all ever been here before, this is the campus that the town we lived in is based off of. It's a big old college. Nice stop. Security guard. But yeah, this is the nice campus right here. They got a room over there and they're gonna get a helmet. Simon's gonna get one. Yeah. I don't know if that's police behind me. Yeah, no, we're definitely about to get in trouble. Oh no, I guess we're good. Good deal. I didn't know we were allowed to be there or not. Look, there's the clock tower. This is the 40s.
Everyone that's graduated, down there, the first year, one person graduated.
So the first year, there was only one person that graduated from... How are you going to be the only one to graduate from your college? Hey, see how far you can coast your bike on neutral out of here. No, I don't think I'm gonna do it, bro. I'm trying so hard, bro. I'm still in neutral. Oh my gosh, Tanner, where did that come from? That's the same guy that wrecked that bike. I've never seen him pull the front tire like that before. Hell yeah. Some downtown stuff right here, son. Tanner with the freaking wheelies, man. Oh, I like how you're stopping for a yellow light. It's not red. Get over here, bro. These are yellow. You're supposed to go for yellow lights. You're not supposed to stop for yellow lights. Dude, these little Groms are honestly the most little fun you can have on a bike. I really recommend learning how to ride a bike and riding a bike at least once in your life. If you don't like it, if it's not for you, I understand. But you never know unless you try. And that's the thing with a lot of this generation is everyone is just not willing to try. I like the way my horn honk. We're gonna go on a road I haven't really been on in a minute. Make sure, all right. That's Tanner. He's the one that wrecked the SV. That's Simon behind me as well. He's the one who owned the SV before Tanner bought it. So Tanner rode Simon's bike. Tanner crashed Simon's bike. Tanner fixed Simon's bike. Tanner bought Simon's bike. That's pretty much how that is. So now it's Tanner's bike. This is cool. We found a new spot. When did a Dairy Queen appear here? Is this real? What? How do you just follow a road out in the middle of nowhere and just end up with a Dairy Queen, bro? This is like NASCAR, bro. I'm sorry, I'm having way too much fun with this. Really? Yeah. This is the fun part. Yeah.
Big bump. It was a 25 and I was going 35. Whoops. That guy was getting arrested back there. What a nice little church. Emmanuel Baptist Church. Emmanuel, you have a nice church. Some heartless. Alright. Catch y'all later. Y'all be safe. Alright. I don't know if I should have shook your hand or not. Y'all have a good one. Ride safe.
Brother. I'll be careful.
Thank you, man. Haram. 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 Go slow. I do a go. All right. Yeah, let's go. Tilt her over. Oh boy, suspension preloaded on that. Yeah, baby. Dude, my front suspension is so shot. I hit a bump and it literally took me out of my lane and it put me forward.
I saw that.
Dude, it was literally just suspension preload and it was like, nope. Yeah, dude, that was scary. All right, let's do this again. I'm gonna lean though. Leg out, bro, leg out! What you know about that Grom life with the leg out? Ooh. I hit that turn really bad. I could have hit that corner a lot better. But that's how it is sometimes, baby. Dirt, stay away from the dirt. Oh boy, oh no. Okay, leaning a little rough for the dirt there. I don't like leaning so abruptly, but sometimes the dirt just be on its dirt thing.
Dirt almost got me.
Really? I seen it too. I was like, dirt, dirt, dirt.
Passed by a tow truck. How you just get passed by a tow truck? Simon knows I'm full throttle, man. I've been pinned for the past 5 minutes.
There it is. Oh look, there's a turtle or a snake or a gator or something in the water. Would you believe me if I told you I was full throttle the whole entire time?
Yeah, I absolutely would. No, we hit 64 one time.
Dude, we did. I was rolling. All right, let's do some dank 12ers. I need to get to second gear. I'm gonna try it in second. It's definitely doable in second. I think I could do it pretty solid if I could get a good balance. That was my first time trying in second. I really liked it.
Sticker, that's literally you. It's the Grom with the stunt bar with the white and black helmet. I thought it was so
What
cool.
the heck? That's so cool. We're getting him, baby. Damn it. Oh, it's just because I'm not used to the bike, honestly. Damn it, I'm gonna make another loop. Damn it! If I don't get it here, I'm done. Damn it! It's like second nature now. My headlight gets brighter when I give it gas.
A lot brighter.
My phone. It's facing down. I shattered it. All right, we're done with wheelies.
What?
Shattered my phone, bro.
No.
Yes.
Oh, right there?
Yeah.
At least you broke it doing something cool.
Yeah, true.
You didn't just like drop it on your table.
Yeah. I am so sorry. It wasn't supposed to go towards you.
There he is. We're gonna draft as soon as we passes. Drafted. Yes!
Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe if you want to see some more. Also leave in the comment section if you want to see more moto vlogs. Remember to send it and be great.